Study at the best Czech universities for free. According to the law, higher education in the Czech Republic, bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degree studies is free for everyone, including foreigners, regardless of their citizenship. The only condition is that you have to study in Czech. Don't be afraid, it is difficult, but possible. Watch videos of Gavin Roy, a United States blogger who has become popular in the Czech Republic. He talks about the tactics he used to learn this complex but beautiful Slavic language. Our institute has been teaching Czech to foreigners for over 60 years. We know exactly how to help you make your dream to study for free at the best universities of the Czech Republic come true. Another inspiration source is why Czech isn't as hard to learn as you think by an Irishman, Benny Lewis. While in the Czech Republic, you also don't need to worry about your health. All foreigners are required to be insured by authorized insurance companies. A comprehensive insurance for 12 months costs from 492 euros, approximately 598 United States dollars. In addition, Czech Republic is one of the safest countries in the world. According to the Global Peace Index, which is published annually by the Institute for Economics and Peace, Czech Republic in 2020 ranks 8th in the world for life safety. Follow the link to compare the degree of safety in different countries. Studying in the Czech Republic, you get the opportunity to move freely across Europe. You can travel wherever you've always wanted to go. But the Czech Republic itself is an incredibly beautiful country. Just take a look at a few pictures of its cities and nature. Troský Castle at Bohemian Paradise, Prahov Rocks, Prague, Český Krumlov. Reasonable food prices. The average lunch receipt in Czech restaurants is about 9.3 United States dollars. A cup of Americano coffee at Starbucks in Prague costs 3.76, and the Big Mac is about $4.23. Czech universities are ranked among the best higher education institutions in the world. Charles University, which has turned 673 in 2021, is 260th in the QS World University Rankings. The world top includes 10 more Czech universities: University of Chemistry and Technology Prague, Czech Technical University in Prague, Masaryk University, Pulaski University, Brno University of Technology, Mendel University in Brno, Technical University of Liberec, Czech University of Life Sciences Prague, and University of Pardubice. Why choose our preparatory courses? Our business and academic reputation is the reputation of Charles University. Competitive price. The course costs 5,940 euros and consists of 1,225 academic hours. This means that 1 hour cost is 4.8 euros. Using Charles University infrastructure. As we are part of Charles University, you will be connected to the European Student Wi-Fi network at Rome for free. You can also use libraries of different faculties without any charge, and, by arrangement, you can attend lectures at the university for free as a listener during the summer semester. Consultant support. You won't be alone. Consultants of our centers will always help you. They will also assist you in the process of nostrification, recognition of your school and university diplomas. The certificate that you receive as a result of your studying is valid in almost all universities of the Czech Republic, more than 80 faculties. All of our training centers and departments specialize on their own education fields. This means that the teachers know exactly what you need to successfully pass the entrance exams. Choose the field in which you would like to get a free higher education. Follow the link to find step-by-step instructions that will help you apply, collect documents, and apply for a visa.